In this video, I want to show you how you can use the Megapack to make your very own QR codes. So once the Megapack is loaded, where it says choose an option here, we want to click the drop down menu, and then we want to scroll down to create QR code. Click OK, and it will then load this screen here. Now, our first option is what URL do you want our QR code to link to. So this can be absolutely any URL that you want. Obviously you want your books, your author page, whatever you like. Hit generate. And then we have our QR code there. And then if you put your phone camera to that right now on this video, you'll be able to scan it. And then what we do also have is the ability to customize our QR code. So down here, we can choose a foreground color. Again, we can choose absolutely any color that we want. Same with our background color as well, like so. And then what we also have is the ability to import an image into the center of the QR code. So if you want to do that, hit choose an image. And then choose an image that you want. Let's do the dog. Hit open. And then that will import the image into the center of the QR code. If you want to remove it, hit remove like so. I'll just stick it back in again. And then once you're happy with your QR code, hit save as here. And then type in to QR code 1. And you can save as a PNG or JPEG. Hit save, and then save again here. And now that's saved. And then you can keep doing this with multiple different addresses as well. And you can change the colors again. Like so. Choose a different image, like so, and then choose another where to save it, QR code 2, hit save, and save again. And now you can keep going through this process to create as many QR codes as you want and customize them how you like. And then if I just load up the folder here, I can show you my QR codes. QR code 1 here, what I made, and QR code 2. Now, I hope this quick introduction video to the create QR code feature of the Megapack helps you. Thank you for watching.